So, you have started this new law of attraction, affirmation, self-love, life-changing journey. You're telling yourself stuff like, I love myself, I'm so beautiful, I'm so abundant, I'm perfect, and then suddenly someone in your life comes around and they're like, you're ugly, you suck, you're never gonna have money. What do? How do you deal with toxic people? In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you just how to do that. Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Pizza. I create content that helps people manifest their best lives and be their highest selves. I'm going to be giving you more clarity on how to deal with toxic people. I'm going to be giving you the 3 main reasons why you are dealing with toxic people, and this is just gonna give you so much clarity and you're gonna be able to see, oh, this is how I go about this, because it's not that I'm actually dealing with toxic people, it's just that this is what's actually going on. You may be confused because law of attraction means like attracts like. So if you're attracting somebody, say a family member or a close friend that is being really toxic towards you on your self-improvement journey, you might be asking yourself, if law of attraction means like attracts like, does that mean that I am a toxic person because I attract toxic people? Am I a bad person? The answer is no, honey, and here are 3 reasons why. Reason number 1, the law of allowing. Law of Attraction Basic Teachings by Jerry and Esther Hicks, this book, explains something called the law of allowing. Because we all come to earth with free will, and because we do all have the power to shape and manifest our lives and our destinies and whatever we want into our lives, there's this thing called the law of allowing. When we're manifesting, we're not actually forcing anything to happen, we're allowing it to flow into our lives by our state of being, by the actions we are taking. So part of the law of allowing is allowing other people to be just as they are. Because when you allow people to be just as they are, you allow manifestations to come to you more fluidly because of the law of oneness. The law of oneness means that we are all one. We are all interconnected beings. And I know it might be hard to see that about a toxic person, but a lot of times toxic people are projecting traits about ourselves that we're not looking to accept yet. And so when we allow them to act the way that they act without allowing it to affect us, we are following the law of allowing, and we're allowing our manifestations to go more smoothly. The second reason is because your present is a reflection of your past thoughts. And this really pertains to if you are practicing a new affirmation. So if you have a new affirmation and you're saying, I am so wealthy, I am full of opportunities, and someone comes into your life and says, you're not wealthy, you're poor. This is not because you're actually poor. This is because this person is a manifestation of your past thoughts. It has nothing to do with you. It just has everything to do with your past thoughts and the new energy that you are creating space for as you are beginning to manifest a new thought pattern, new affirmations, new beliefs. The third reason is because it strengthens your faith, and when your faith is strengthened, your manifestation comes faster. The universe or God, whatever you believe in, presents you with an opportunity, with an obstacle, not to harm you, but to help you grow. It presents you with this toxic person who is hurting you and harming you, not because you're a bad person, but because they can't necessarily accept themselves. And it's presenting you with an opportunity to either take this toxic person and allow their toxicity to reflect onto you and affect your life, or take this toxic person and say, you know what? I allow you to be exactly as you are, and me allowing you to be exactly as you are has nothing to do with me and nothing to do with what I am manifesting. I allow you to be. And when you do that while strengthening your faith in whatever affirmation, whatever thing you're trying to manifest, it's gonna happen so much faster for you. It's basically an obstacle presenting you not to stump your growth, but to help you grow. Those are 3 reasons why we deal with toxic people. And these 3 reasons explain how to deal with toxic people, because it's not that you're actually dealing with toxic people. What's actually happening is all these underlining things: the law of allowing, your present being a reflection of your past reality, and an opportunity to strengthen your faith. Ask me any questions you have about it in the comments below, because your girl has dealt with so many toxic people in my journey, and you just have to realize that everybody is on their own journey, and you just have to allow people to be, and you just send them love and send them light, because a lot of times when people are being toxic, it's because they're hurting. And when you're able to see the bigger picture of that, that helps you so much. I love you so much. I hope you have a great day. Bye.